Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making Asian chicken wings. What all goes into the Asian chicken wings? 2 pounds chicken wings, separated. I bought the ones that are already separated. There is 3 pounds here, so I'll only be using 2. 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 cloves garlic minced. I've got the already minced stuff. 1 tablespoon ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon sriracha or chili paste, and this is optional. 1 teaspoon sesame seeds for garnish. And 2 green onions sliced for garnish. So let's begin. Take a large bowl. Dump in your 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce. I have reduced sodium. Although there is no salt in this recipe, I guess you could use the full strength stuff. 2 tablespoons of honey. And if it's too sticky, you can spray your little measuring cup beforehand. This comes out pretty good, so I didn't spray it. Then add your 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. And then you want to add your 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Your 2 cloves of garlic minced. Mine's a little bit more than that. I do like garlic. Your 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. I've got toasted sesame oil. And if using 1 teaspoon of sriracha, more if you like it really hot, less if you don't want it hot, or omit it altogether. This shot glass doesn't have measuring on it, so it may be too hot, and Dave will love me for that. Whisk this together until fully combined. I did weigh out my chicken for 2 pounds. It was like 2 pounds, 0.02 ounces. You want to add the chicken to the marinade, and you want to make sure that they're all covered. Make sure you wash your hands after touching raw chicken. And what I'm going to do is just take a spoon and mix them around until they all are coated. There's too many of them to actually be submerged, but as long as they're coated. And throughout the day, continue to stir them and get them well coated. Might be able to submerge them all. Not quite. Cover the bowl. Put it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 1 hour up to overnight. The longer you have it, the deeper the flavor. Mine will probably be 6 hours. So we'll put that in the refrigerator and let it do its magic. Preheat the oven to 400. Take a baking sheet and line it with aluminum foil. Take your marinated chicken wings, take off the excess, and lay them on the baking sheet. Put your Asian chicken wings in a preheated 400-degree oven and cook them for 35 to 40 minutes until wings are golden brown and crispy. So take your leftover marinade, and this is optional. Put it in a small saucepan and simmer it until it becomes thickened like a glaze for about 5 to 7 minutes. I did make a cornstarch slurry to make it a little bit thicker. Then just brush on your glaze on each chicken wing, and then put it back in the oven for 5 minutes. So we want to garnish it with some green onions and some sesame seeds. So here is the Asian chicken wings on a bed of coconut jasmine rice. Rounding out the meal is cream cheese, rangoons. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Multiple choice?
It is the chicken wings.
Okay. That's pretty good. I was waiting for the heat to kick in. And it smell hot, but I never know.
That is Asian chicken wings.
I like it. There's no heat spice to it, but it's got a really nice flavor.
I'm surprised it's got sriracha in it.
Really?
Yep.
No, I'm not getting any heat from it at all, but it's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.